Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming account readiness and permissions so the bot can act on your behalf. Log into Chess. Confirm email and enable two-factor if the tool recommends it. This prevents lockouts. Once done, install the approved bot client or browser extension and grant only the minimum required permissions because excessive rights increase risk. Make sure your clock and time zone match Chess. Settings so move timing stays accurate. You now configure how the bot plays and why each choice matters. Choose the play mode and opponent rating range to match expected challenges. Harder settings avoid unfair advantages. Set engine strength, thinking time, and move depth to control speed versus accuracy. Enable an opening book for natural play and logging to review decisions later. Once configured, set safe mode limits and automatic offers so the bot follows fair play norms and reduces account risk. You start with a monitored test game to validate behavior and latency. Watch for illegal moves or excessive time usage because these trigger bans. If you see unexpected blunders or disconnects, pause the bot and check logs to pinpoint engine or network issues. Once fixed, rerun tests. If the site blocks actions, immediately revoke the client's tokens, update credentials, and contact Chess. Support explaining your steps. Keeping screenshots and logs makes resolution faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.